Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a video on the Vidnoz AI using a character, that how you can create AI character video on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Vidnoz website and then we have to create our account. And after account creation, as you can see, you will be redirected to the home page. So now we are on the home page. You have to click on this home page here. And after that, you will get a lot of templates here. Now you have to choose that which type of video you want to create. I'm going to click on the no thanks here. Now for example, I want to clear the explainer videos here. So now after that we have to click on this and now we have to choose the AI character, that which AI character you want to use, the male or the female. Every AI character is provided here. For example, I want to use this one. So we have to click on the plus icon and then we have to choose the size here, that in which size you want, the landscape or the portrait. It's up to you, whatever you are choosing. So as you can see, after clicking on this, we will be redirected to the editing mode. Now we are getting these steps here, we are guidance here. So I'm going to skip these all options here. So as you can see, now simply the character is here. Now what we have to do, we have to write the whole script here. As you can see, now this script is written here. You have to write whatever you want to write. And after writing the script, as you can see here, you have to choose the character voiceover type. As you can see now, these all types of voiceover are provided here. Like if you can change the language from here. If you want the male or female and the emotions, and every option is provided here. You just have to choose. You can check out these previews as well. And after that, you have to click on the OK and the voiceover will be done. And as you can see, some options are also provided here. If you want to control the pitch and speech and the volume, all options are provided here. If you want to add the subtitles, you have to make it on. You can make it off as well. And as you can see, conversation, upload, no speech, you can also use these as options as well. But we are going to use a speech text option. As you can see, you will be able to see the duration of your script as well. After doing these all changes, you simply have to click on the preview if you want to check out the preview, or if you want to generate the video, you have to click on the generate. And after clicking on the generate, the video will be generated. So in this way, you can generate an AI video on the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.